Hello my dear children, in this module we are going to discuss about the input devices and output devices in depth. What are input devices? That can send data or information to the computer or any other devices. Okay, as you are all studied earlier, here we are going to discuss about keyboard which sends the data into the computer depends upon the key pressed by the user. Then the second one is mouse. Mouse is a small handheld input device which controls a cursor in a graphical user interface. Through mouse we can select, we can point and we can draw some pictures. And the scanner. What is the purpose of scanner? It reads optically the documents, written documents or typed documents or hard copies can be optically read by the scanners, and it stores the scanned image in digital form and sent to the computer for processing. Then OMR, optical mark recognition or reader, used to read marks on a document and send them to computer. As you are all appeared board exams, you may encircle the roll number, your name in the front sheet of your answer script. What is the actual use of that particular sheet? That sheet is given to the OMR, so it can read the marks either through circle or in the square box. Then OCR, that is optical character recognition or the reader, is an input device which reads printed text and send that to the computer in the digital form. Then magnetic ink character reader is an input device which generally finds applications in banks to process checks. Then microphone. What is the use of microphone? That receives the audio signals and it generates audio signals to the system, is in the form of digital. Then webcam. It is used for capturing the videos, that is the images from the user, and delivers to the computer system as input. Then graphic tablets are used to draw using hand. And trackball is upside down mouse encased within a socket. It is a cursor control device. It is mainly used for games. Barcode reader, that you already know. Barcode reader, while you are going for a shopping and all, you may see barcode reader. For a product there will be a barcode. The device which reads the barcode is termed to be barcode reader. Then gamepad is also known as joypad. It is the input control for video games. And the joystick, these input devices are used to control video games again. So we are having many input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, OMR, OCR, MICR, barcode reader, webcam, microphone. Like that we are having many input devices which are all wireless nowadays. Doesn't have a wire for connection between the CPU and the input device. Look at various input devices we are having. This is the keyboard, microphone, scanner, MCR, light pen, generally used for writing in electronic form documents. Then OCR, optical character reader, joystick, USB Bluetooth. Coming to the next topic, output devices. The device that can receive data from computer or another device and create output with the data is called output devices. the various output devices. As we are all know about output devices, the first one is monitor. What is the responsibility of a monitor? It receives the data from the computer and display that information as a text or an image to the user for viewing the output. Then the next one is speaker. It receives sound signals from the computer, then plays that sound signal, and thus we hear songs, music or any other audio from the computer system. Then what is the next one? Projector. Gets the data of a computer and display or projects the same information onto a screen or a wall. Projector cannot directly accept data from the user and send the data to another device. It can only project the information from the system. It can only used for projecting the informations from the system. Then printer, that we already know. What is the responsibility of a printer? It is used to take hard copies from the soft copies of a document. Then speaker, it is used for hearing audio signals, and headset is also having the same responsibility as speaker. And the plotter is mainly used for taking the printouts or hard copies of the pictures. Then the devices which can be used both as input and output, that means it can give the inputs to the system as well as it can get the outputs, and it can be given to a user. So what are the devices which can have both responsibilities as input and output? The first one, USB drive. It can be used to give the details and to store the details. Then modem is used for receiving and sending the informations in a network. Then CD drive receives the data from the computer, and also we can use it for monitoring what is in the data. Then touch screen, it also used to give the instruction, and also we can see the output of our instructions what we are giving. A headset consists of a speaker and a microphone as a input device. Okay, here in both the headset having both the devices, a speaker as a output device and a microphone as a input device. And FaxSmile is a fax machine, has a scanner which is an input device, and also a printer to provide output. Look at the pictures which can be used both as input devices and output devices. I think you are all clear about various input devices and output devices which we are all using nowadays. Thank you.